Ayan si Kuya Rice, napunta rin ng Rona Plaza Montreal. Ayan na. Diba?
So, ano nangyari mga tre? Nag-binanching niya, pinicture ko lang yung ano eh.
So, ayan guys. Ito yung tapos mga so, yan. Papakita ko lang ng mga fresh na ganito. Hindi ko alam ang tawag nila dito eh. Pero ano siya ng parang Christmas tree. Yan. Comment na lang kayo kung ano tawag nila dito. So, yan. Nandito ako ngayon para picturean to. Tapos i-post sa Facebook namin. Ay, diba? Live na live. Ang lamig. Sabi nila nagtatagal daw tong mga to. Hindi siya malalanta agad. Talagang kahoy. Yan. Tama na.
Meanwhile,
Guys, galing tayong Costco. Hindi tayong wiper. Hindi naman nag-snow na. Lakas na sila hanggang bukas ng madaling araw. Sana makabit pa natin to. Sakto lang naman. Ayun, kaya. Lamig. Hirap. Dami tao sa lumabas kaya hindi na ako nakapag-vlog.
Ano, hotdog car. Ako na nila ang karigay hotdog car.
Covered na kagad si Olaf. Mamaya na lang ulit.
one eternity later.
What are you doing, Ella?
A pigeon.
You're building what?
A pigeon my farmer.
What?
A pigeon my highway.
Is that a building?
Is that
Okay. Ay, titignan na naman yung itsura. What are you doing?
a pigeon?
You're building what?
A pigeon my coffee.
What? You're building your?
From Halloween. I want Halloween.
You want Halloween?
Yes, I want Halloween.
So, ayan guys. Kakatapos lang ng work ko. So, ako na naman ang mag-aalaga sa mga tiyanak. Are you a tiyanak? Are you a tiyanak? Yes! Tapos si Daryl nasa work ulit. Ngayon, mag-snow daw ng malakas. Doble dun sa snow nung Tuesday. Pupunta ka na dun para makita ka ng ka-dreamers. You tell them what you're doing. Go. You tell them. Show them. What color is that?
I'm playing.
Red.
I'm playing my five challenge video.
Yeah, okay, okay
Oh,
then.
mine.
What color is that?
Red.
Red. Okay, where's the color blue? Give me the color blue. That's the color blue. Where?
Here.
Okay, good job. Ayan, ganito lang ang daily routine namin. Bale, hindi naman alagain. Nahayaan ko lang siyang mag-explore. Oh, where are you going now? Ba't ganyan mukha mo?
One eternity later.
Yan guys, pauwi na tayo. Puno na naman ng ice. Kaya tayong windshield protector. Pero kailangan ko magkaskas dito. Kabila. Grabe yung ice. Yung snow. So buti tumigil na. Kung hindi, hirapan akong buhay. Papainit tayo ng sasakyan.
A few moments later.
Palitan ang wiper, kaya lang yung isa may sira. Babalik natin yung isa kung wala namang problema. Lamig, kaskas pa ako. Yan, uwi na tayo. Ang dami ko. Snowball.
One eternity later.
What will you say? Sing happy birthday.
I have
Okay.
go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday and monkey too.
Anong in monkey? You say happy birthday, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Lolo.
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 What's the name?
Lolo.
Lolo. Lolo Domingo.
Doing the
It's the joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great grandmother's smile.